discuss the one of the important topic is the human digestive system. What is the topic? A digestive system. Okay, so always remember that for the surviving of living system on the earth that may require some of the essential components. What are those essential components? For example, food, water and clothing and houses, means homes. Apart from that, one of the means some of the important basic requirement to the living system is that first one, food. What is the first component to the living system? Is the first one is the food. Okay, food is the one of the basic component requirement to the living system. It provides what it may provides. Okay, so it provides the energy. It provides the energy and build up the means organic material for body growth. And the food provides the organic material for the growth and involved in tissue repair. So here the food that may provide the energy requirement to the body and organic material for the growth and involved in the tissue repair. Okay, and second one important component to the living system is that second one is that water. Yeah. How the water plays the vital role into the living system means we will discuss two important functions of the water. Water may plays important role in body metabolic functions. Body metabolic functions, which here the water involved in body metabolic functions. And second important function of the water in the body is it prevents it prevents the body from dehydration. Prevent the body from dehydration. So these are the important function of the water to the living system. Okay. Always remember that the food material that may containing the different molecular entities. Here the food that may containing the different molecules. What are those different molecules? That may be the carbohydrates. That may be the carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins and some of minerals. Okay, food that may be containing the carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins and minerals. So these all are the components of the food material that may be exist in different forms. Okay, so that may be means some of the component that may be exist in the form of large molecular size. For example, take so what are the, for example, micro means for example macromolecular components. What are the macromolecular components? For example, take carbohydrates, proteins, lipids. So these are the components which are exist in the form of the macromolecular size. Okay, and some of the components that are exist in micromolecular size means that are exist in the smaller size. Okay, for example, take vitamins and minerals. Okay, so here the thing is that when the components are exist in the micromolecular size, they may, for example, take vitamins and minerals and also water. So these components are existing in the form of the smaller in size. Because of the smaller in size, they may directly absorption into the cell. Whereas in case of the macromolecular compounds such as carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, which are not directly absorption into the cell. Why? Because these are the macromolecular compounds. These are exist in the larger size. So further that should be converted into the micromolecular compound. Okay. So let we will discuss what is the definition of digestion. What is the definition of digestion? Okay. And the definition of the digestion is conversion of, what is that? Conversion of, simply we can write conversion of large or complex material. Okay? Conversion of large or complex material into simple observable forms. Okay? Large or complex material, converting of large complex material into simple observable forms are called digestion. Okay? This is the definition of the digestion. So this digestion is facilitated by the specific system is called digestive system. And this digestion is facilitated by the specific system is called digestive system.